I'm gonna tell her she getting 2 stickers. Y'all want me to tell her she getting 2? I need to get them Jolly Ranchers he got up there. Oh boy, done stole my damn. My boy got that Buchanans. He talking about he's sharing with me all night. Damn, I'm ready. I thought Runner was trying to block the camera. He'd be like, we don't need any negative publicity here at Yello Belly. We don't need it. I'm just gonna stand here politely and block Lookout's camera. Yeah. Ronnie don't be trying to protect me.
Yeah, I think he needs to put some shit up on the line, make things like that.
Damn.
I got one of them footballs out there.
Oh, you fuck with that Ford?
Yeah, I got Ford.
He just been because of the Ford, y'all.
Yes, sir. I got 2002.
Oh, you got a 2002?
And that's
Ford's wasn't even good in 2002.
I got one out there.
Oh, you got one?
I got one out there right now.
Okay. Bad.
And you ain't got to get inside crank. You can let the window down, stick your hand crank one time.
Okay. Okay, just one time, just bump your key over, it's working?
Work.
Okay. He got one of them.
$2 for it.
Oh, okay, he ain't paid number $2 for it, y'all. Let me see. I think it's time to go get her a sticker. Hey, you ready? Y'all, I'm gonna bring some more stickers, y'all. I'm gonna bring some extra. They said bring extra. My YouTube channel say bring some extra stickers, y'all. I'm gonna bring, how many y'all want? How many you need? 2. 2, okay, we got 2 of them coming now, y'all.
Hey, look out, I feel like I'm in jail.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You better watch. Better watch. You seen me, I walked out from his ass. Yeah, I left his ass out. I said, get them. He tried to get me first. I said, hey, man, when you get them, I'ma move. I walked right behind. Yeah, I went to the back. Get his ass. I said, let me see you get his big ass out the way. He couldn't do nothing. Yeah. Then big boy tried to get. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Where can you buy merch? On lookoutracing.com. I'm about to upload some new. Okay. I thought it was sticker time, but it ain't. Let me find them damn Skittles, man. Hey! Where them Skittles go, man?
Yeah, I told you to come back.
Okay, I'm back.
Like the deal, I got you.
Okay, give him back. I'm ready to. Motherfucker that took the Skittles, murder. Well, I let him rent them. You rent them.
I was holding them for you.
Hold them. Yeah. Okay. All right, I'll be back when I need more.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay, bet. That's my boy, y'all. He holding them bitches for me.
Like the deal, I got you.
Yeah, that's my boy. Let me see that. Oh, you ain't got it going yet. Okay.
I
When you get it going, call me, man. Call me when you get it going. Y'all on my YouTube channel, right?
What's that? What's
okay.
YouTube?
Look out racing, man. It's going down like James Brown, man. Let me put here, y'all. Look.
What we got?
Boom. I got hats in the back. I'm in the VIP section, man. I can pull it right up on you. You on there? Subscribe out there. Okay, yeah. Subscribe out there a mi canal. Okay, they already on it. You on there? Okay. What about you? Yeah, that's my YouTube channel, man. Oh, y'all feel good. Wait a minute. Hey! Is they subscribed? Y'all subscribed? Okay, they already subscribed, y'all. Damn. What about them over there? Okay. What the fuck going on over here? What is the commotion? Look, he done got the murdered and teamed up with the damn security, man. He taking all the orders from him. I don't know how I'm gonna beat that. I can't beat that. I can't beat that. It's gonna be. Damn, What the fuck going on? They talking. Okay, you gonna need that Dolly Magusta shirt. Okay, I got them coming out soon. I gotta get them printed. You know how long they be taking.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make sure you got the best quality shirt. We're gonna get you a Bella and canvas, 100%. These shirts here are gonna be breathable.
Oh shit, that is midnight. We got midnight performance up in here, y'all. Yeah, we got midnight performers out here. Everybody tags. Can you tag somebody? I want to tag midnight performers. Oh, that's what they be doing. Twin turbo. Look at them little old things. And he got to go against him. Golly. They know how to make these run. Damn, that motor way down there. Golly. Oh. Damn. This gonna be a good race. Y'all on there? Yeah, man. We got Marvin Lewis in the building, y'all. I think that's Stefco. If that is, he ain't gonna whoop. Yeah, he ain't. That's Stefco. Damn. Nah, he shouldn't be able to. Midnight Performance shouldn't be able to beat Stefco. I mean, that truck is all-wheel drive. Usually Stefco had that suspension set up like all-wheel drive. He ain't gonna spin. Damn, y'all. This is gonna be a good race, but Stefco, he shouldn't make no mistake. He can't really make no mistake. These trucks ain't Midnight Performance. They put some trickery on these Fords and turbos and Coyote. Where y'all going? Y'all going with the truck? TikTok, let me see what TikTok doing. Oh, okay, he goosing the gas. Right lane for the win.